Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to put two Bitmojis together on Snapchat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Bitmojis are basically your avatar of your Snapchat, which can be created by Bitmoji app. Once you have your avatar created, your friend also needs an avatar to put them together on Snapchat. So simply tap open your Snapchat and go to the camera screen. Once you do this, simply all you need to do is scroll the carousel, and once you scroll the carousel, you can simply find a below tab. Simply scroll on it and there you can find an option called Bitmoji. Simply tap on that particular option, and after you have done this, you can find different camera lenses that will help you provide different kind of bitmojis of your friend. So two of you can be here in your screen if you have selected some. So as you can see, now I have like two people or two bitmojis on my screen. So this way you can put two bitmojis together on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.